teachers, students, parents, and community members of Sullivan West. This morning we're going to be covering a quick tutorial on how to access the parent portal. We had some requests come in from some parents in the community that they were unsure on how to do so, so that's why we're here. Alright, so you're going to begin your process by going to the school's website. Alright, on the school's website, if you go across, you should see a parent portal icon. Click on that and that'll bring you to actually this page here. Okay, from this point we're going to go log in. If you don't have an account yet, you're going to have to create one here. In order to create an account, you're going to be prompted with certain questions about your name, address, telephone number, and eventually you're going to need to know your child's student ID number, which for the most part they should have memorized, especially if they buy school lunch, because that's the number that you have to give the cashier at the register to get lunch. If not, and you don't have that information, be sure to contact the school and you can get it. Okay, so we'll go into the login, and you're going to put the email address that you had stored, and in your password you'll put your password, and you're going to log in, and you'll have a host of information with your student where you can actually go and find your child's report card grades. Alright, if you have any further questions and you'd like any more demos done, please don't hesitate to contact us here at the high school, and we'll be happy to make you a video. Hope this helps. Have a great day.